Namaste to everybody. My name is Lakshmikant. Today I am going to say Bhagavad Gita text 6 and text 7. Om Sri Mahaganadipati Devaya Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Before saying Bhagavad Gita text 6 and text 7, I am going to give you an Ayurvedic remedy today. Everybody are having nowadays body pains, especially hands and legs, and cough is going on because this is Dhanurmas. It's going to end very soon. This Wednesday Dhanurmas is going to end. So everybody, it's cold winter over here. So everybody are having hands, legs pains and cough in this season. So today's remedy is that those who are having hands, leg pains, body pains, cough, what you all need to do is take any kind of coconut oil, put it in a vessel, put it in a stove, boil it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame, and then take the vessel, put it aside, let it cool down a little bit, not totally cool down, just a bit. And what you need to do is apply that oil to whole of your body. If you are not reachable at your backside, then tell anyone to apply it and apply it whole of your body. Then wait for 40 minutes. After waiting for 40 minutes, then have a bath. Please do not apply any soap or shampoo, otherwise it's not going to work out. Do this ready-meal weekly once and slowly you will see the results. Thank you. Now let's continue with the story I left out last video. So I called that lady and I asked her. So she was telling that her husband is going to beat her daily because his husband is a drinker. So she was afraid that when she has come to my place to listen Bhagavad Gita, she was afraid that her husband would hit her because she hasn't cooked anything at her home. So what I told her that you don't worry anything. Paramatma will take care everything. And what I did is I have given Bhagavad Gita to her. I have given Bhagavad Gita to her and said, see, tell all your problems to this Bhagavad Gita. There is Paramatma. Please, daily morning, just, you don't need to read Bhagavad Gita. I know you can't read and can't understand Bhagavad Gita. There's no time for you. So, what you need to do is just touch the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Paramatma, and just every morning you just do that and tell your problems to him. Please do that daily, and I have told her, please believe in what I said and results will slowly start happening with you. And what has happened, what a miracle has happened, I'll tell you in the next video. Now let's go into Bhagavad Gita text 6 and text 7. So text 6. Yuda manyascha vikranta uttamau jasya viryavan saubadrau draupadeyascha sarva eva maharataha. Now let's get translation in English. There are mighty Yudhamanyus. They are very powerful Uttamanuja, the son of Saubhadra and Draupadi's sons, who are great chariot fighters, is what Duryodhana is telling to his teacher Dronacharya, his guru Dronacharya. That is what text 6 means. Now let's go to text 7. Asmakam tu visishtaye tani bodha vijauttama nayaka mama sainyasya sanya artam tanu bhavimite. Now let's get into translation in English. But for information, oh best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are especially qualified to lead my army, military force. Is what Duryodhana is telling Dronacharya. Swasti. सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु सर्वव्याधि निवारणं विष्णुं नमः చేసిన పాపము ఊరికెనే పోదు అనుభవించక తప్పదు శిక్ష కర్మము ఎన్నడు ధర్మమును దాటదు నరుడా నీకు తప్పదు శిక్ష హరి ఓం